Hello, my name is Occipital. I live and work in Brooklyn, New York as a visual artist. So during this time, I am unable to get to my studio. So I'm here at my apartment in Brooklyn. And I basically tried to take as much as I could from my studio and make a little space. So for me, it's a corner of my room. I used a sheet to kind of designate that this was the space that I'd be working. And I tried my best to have some sense of normalcy. I usually work in a room that there's art supplies everywhere. So I continue that here, and any painting I create, good, bad, practice, I just have it spread around me. So I am in sort of isolation within isolation, a little art bubble. I use music to kind of get into the zone, not to forget what's around me, but more focus on what I'm doing and maybe create something wonderful. So for this, I'm using gouache, which is a more opaque watercolor, and I brought home my travel case of paintbrushes, which I generally use for live painting events. It was easy, portable to bring home. Just some watercolor paper and a piece of cardboard, which enables me to paint right on my lap. The subjects of my paintings are always figures. I have a minimalistic style, so every single stroke really counts. I use the pressure of my brush and the ratio of water to paint to create depth and texture within each piece. Painting started as my way of putting feelings and memories of someone very special to me, my muse, to paper. At first, I kept this as a personal experience, simply a creative outlook. Now this practice has evolved into a way of archiving and sharing our memories with the world. Figures have been a perfect vehicle to depict emotion. Using aspects like pose and line quality, I can paint movement or body language that will subconsciously relate to a mood, a feeling, a memory, or more. I started sharing my artwork in 2015, and since then, I've learned that there are endless possibilities of where these figures can take me, while the presence of my muse lives on through each painting. Thank you so much for letting me share this experience and my artwork with you.